Hey, how's it going, guys? Kat right here. So I'm so excited for this video because I'm going to show you how to beautify wood, making it look very rustic, old, and weathered. This is a set of stairs that we are basically giving a makeover. Ah!
I came and messed up your video.
Joshua, you silly. Now you can do this to any wood and just make it so very beautiful. I love that look. So stick around, I'll show you how we got this done. So the first step to doing this job, because it is a makeover, is to just tear all the stones out. We did save them because we're going to be using them again. And that definitely was a hard job, but it was nice to have Shiloh and Josh and other people there to help us. So the next step to this job is to sand it and smooth off some of those edges, and then we'll do the staining. So let's do the sanding. So you got to remember your personal protection. Got a face mask, some glasses, and some earplugs. So the next step to this job is to stain it all with kind of a dark brown color, kind of the base stain, which definitely that can be a time-consuming thing, but it wasn't too hard. I didn't do it the best job with it, but that was kind of the point because I was going to be sanding it off. And then the next step to this is to take the sander and just make it look nice and old and rusty. And I was very lucky to have Josh help me with this job because he took that belt sander and sanded it off, and then I sanded it with the hand sander. Then once we did the sanding, I got a sealer and we sealed the wood. I am so glad to be done with this. That was a piece of cake to just paint on that sealer. Now we just gotta put all this blue stuff away and we'll let it dry overnight. Okay, well, thank you for watching. I hope you like these stairs, the rustic wood finish, as much as I do. And if you're thinking of putting that on your wood, I definitely give this look a 2 thumbs up, and it is not difficult. So remember, work hard, play hard, have a wonderful day. We'll see you on the next project.